Hey, I'm Chris from Revolution Pipe Relining. We've just relined a 21 metre 100mm sewer line and installed 2 junction patches. Now I'm just about to show you how it looks from the inside. Okay, so what we've done is we have attached some PVC pipe to the earthenware with a plumb quick, relined through the plumb quick and glued a socket on where we've attached our PVC pipe to connect to the stack. Just discoloured from the dirt washing through from the trench. Here's the first junction patch, looking perfect. This is our RSM Delta liner in 100mm pipe. Here's the second junction patch. There's a 45-degree bend. Join to the PVC, smooth transition, job done. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.